Hello folks, this is one random video where it's not strapped to my desk, on my bench. I mean, this right here, I picked up. It's a nice big wooden table. I don't know what, it's definitely wood. It's not some melamine crap. I also have the rest of it here. And I have the table like somewhere else. I picked it up, they left it on the side of the road, and even though it's got a crack here, I could always slice it down and glue it back together. But the reason why I like this is because it's a solid piece of wood. It's, as you can see, it doesn't look too warped. And it was free. So like I've said before on my channel, when you see wood on the side of the road and you do any woodwork, you could pick up all kinds of scrap where there's some molding stuff in there. And what do I do with it? It's, my plan is in the future, my mother-in-law bought this weird little countertop shelf, and I think I want to clone it for my house. But I want to make it out of thicker steel. So I'm going to use this for, I want to make some metal shelving, use those as nice shelves, sand them down, restain them. So if you want free lumber, I mean, look, this one, there's a hole in here, screw hole and a screw hole, but I can use the middle part. I don't know what the hell I'm going to use this for, but there's a cheap thing in there. There's a couple of holes in the back, but I didn't pay for it. I seen a nice big giant oak table on the side of the road, but I don't need an oak table right now. I should have picked it up, but you know what? I got too much stuff right now. But yeah, this, I'm going to lop off the ends and put it in my free wood pile. And if I don't use them in a while, I'll just burn them all because, hey, why not, right? You know, use them, just burn them. So a suggestion to anybody, if you want free wood, lumber, see, this is a complete tabletop right here. It looks shitty, but it's... And if you ask yourself, how much would a piece like this cost of a solid, never mind, this isn't pine. It's definitely, I don't know what it is. It's something a little bit harder than pine. I know it's not oak, and it doesn't look like maple. So it's something a little bit, just up the notch. So yeah, anyway, I'll shut up now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click a button, and like the channel.